Do this to remove blackheads from your nose. There is a problem everybody, no matter the skin type, faces: blackheads. It seems like it's pretty impossible to get them all out. These days, multiple products and procedures can help you deal with this issue. But is there any other alternative? As it turns out, there is. So, Brightside is here to tell you about a couple of effective 5-minute methods that will clean your face from the blackheads completely. Do you want to know why and how exactly blackheads appear on your skin and what can help you get rid of them? Then let's get to the bottom of it. Blackheads are a type of comedones. They appear on your skin when your pores become plugged with dead skin cells. While this is happening, your pore, due to the reaction with the oxygen, becomes black and easily visible. And there, a new blackhead is born. Various factors cause the blackheads. Usually, they appear during puberty, when your body goes through a lot of hormonal changes. Other possible reasons for blackheads are menstruation, pregnancy, stress, sweating, alcohol, caffeine, and even smoking. Yes, I guess that's another great reason to throw the pack of cigarettes away if you still didn't do it. Don't forget that not cleaning your face properly or using oil-based products may cause blackheads as well. There is also another important part of this issue: sebaceous filament. Sometimes what you may think is a blackhead certainly isn't it. Are you confused? Well, let me explain. If you look closely, you can see tiny dots on your nose that look a bit like blackheads. In reality, they are just sebaceous filaments, the pores filled with sebum, which channels oil onto your skin. So, don't confuse them with the blackheads. Sebaceous filaments have nothing to do with acne. They are usually light gray and smooth to the touch. Blackheads, on the other hand, are larger and feel like a little bump on your skin. Enough of the theory. Let's get to the methods that will help you overcome this issue. As you probably already know, blackheads can appear on your cheeks, chin, and even around your lips. But probably the most common area is your nose, and in this video, we will focus mainly on it. Easily one of the most effective ways to clean your nose from all these unwanted comedones so far is a quick mask, which contains lemon and sea salt. So, grab a pen and write down this simple recipe. First of all, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a half of a teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix all of these ingredients in a bowl and apply on the black spots for 2 to 3 minutes. The best way to apply this mixture is in a circular motion, so you'll probably rub it in your skin. Then, let it dry for 10 or 15 minutes and just clean your face with warm water. After that, wash your face again, this time with cold water to close the pores. Don't forget to use moisturizer afterwards. Do this mask once a week, and the results will surprise you. Lemon is one of the most effective products against blackheads and is pretty much always a part of different recipes for blackheads-free masks and scrubs. And it's no surprise because lemon contains different acids that not only tighten the pores and removes the blackheads, but also prevents acne and other skin problems. Don't get too crazy and be careful though, because this mask is not for the sensitive or dry skin. For those skin types, there are other more gentle ways of removing the blackheads. Let's discuss them right now. So, if your skin is way too sensitive or dry, the scrub out of oatmeal, lemon juice, and plain yogurt will do just as good of a job at cleaning your face from the blackheads as the previous one. Just mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt and the juice of a half of lemon. Apply the finished mask to your nose and leave it for 10 minutes. When the time's up, clean your face with water and apply moisturizer. Oatmeal is the ingredient of numerous great face scrubs and is great for your skin. And yogurt balances the lemon out and provides a more gentle cleaning without drying up your skin way too much. Repeat this mask 1 time a week. There is a couple of other ways you may want to try. Let's try with the cleansing pore stripes. Yes, you don't need to buy them. You can easily make them yourself. You'll need only honey, milk, and some cotton. First of all, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of milk. Put the mixture in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then, get it out and stir it to make sure everything mixed well. Don't forget to pay attention to the temperature of the final mixture. It shouldn't be too hot. Then, you can apply the warm mixture on your nose and pat a cotton strip gently. There you go. Your cleansing pore strips are ready. Leave the strip on your nose for about 15 to 20 minutes and then carefully peel it away. Wash your nose with cold water to close the pores. It's better to do this little procedure once a week to clean your face from blackheads. This method is both productive and gentle to your skin, so that it will be useful for any skin type. You can also make a cinnamon and honey strips, which are considered to be another perfect combination for getting rid of blackheads. The recipe is the following. You'll once again need cotton plus 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix the two and apply a thin layer of finished paste on your nose. Then pat a strip over it. Leave the strip for 5 to 10 minutes and then peel it away. And then wash your face with cold water. Repeat once a week. In this combination, honey is responsible for effective cleaning the clogged pores, while cinnamon makes the skin smoother, making it way easier for honey to remove the blackheads. Remember that in both cases after you wash your face, you should moisturize your skin. Green tea can also be a good helper in your battle with blackheads. To do this next nose scrub, you'll need 1 green tea bag, 1/3 of the cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. The following steps are simple. Brew a green tea bag in 1/3 of the cup of water and leave the bag until the water becomes lukewarm. Then, put 2 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of lukewarm green tea. Mix those two together, add 1 more tablespoon of sugar, and continue mixing. Ta-da! The scrub is ready! Gently rub the finished scrub to your nose in a circular motion. Be careful and avoid your eyes and nostrils. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when you'll feel that it began to dry, wash it off with cold water so you can close your pores and moisturize your skin. Green tea is known for reducing oil and inflammation on the skin. That's why it is irreplaceable for removing the blackheads. I guess we can all agree that we all want to have beautiful, glowing, and clean skin without all of these pimples and blackheads, right? But you have to remember that nothing comes easily. A battle with blackheads takes a regular care and serious efforts. There are a lot of things you can try, so always set aside some time for yourself and try something new. This way, you'll know what works for your skin and what doesn't. Throughout this process, you will certainly find some universal methods and techniques that will work wonders for your skin, making it clean, fresh, and above all, healthy. What helps you to clean your face from the blackheads? Share your opinions and advice in the comment section below.